Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session where we were learning about the greenery in Telangana, children. We have seen the Haritaharam, that is a program initiative taken by the government of Telangana in order to plant 230 crore saplings in the state to extend its forest coverage area from 24% to 33%. And for this, 4,000 nurseries were also established by the state government across the state to provide the seedlings, the plants to the people who are in need. And today we learn about two important people. One is the forest man of India, the other one is the forest man of Telangana. The forest man of India is Jadev Muglai. So this Jadev Mulai Payeng was a forest worker actually in Jorghat district of Assam. Jadev Mulai. So ये जो जादव है मुलाई, ये असम के जोरघाट फॉरेस्ट में काम करता था. एक व्हाट वी कॉल कॉन्ट्रैक्टर के पास काम करता था. एट द एज ऑफ 16 ही वाज वर्किंग एज इन द फॉरेस्ट ऑफ दिस जोरघाट. So he participated in a social forest program in 1979 as a laborer in that project, which continued for 5 years. 5 साल तक वो प्रोजेक्ट चला था, वो प्रोजेक्ट में काम करता था. मगर आफ्टर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट सभी वर्कर्स जो है वो छोड़ के चले गए, वो फॉरेस्ट को छोड़ के फिर वापस चले गए. बट ही लेफ्ट हिमसेल्फ देयर एंड कंटिन्यूड टू प्लांट मोर ट्रीज ऑन हिज ओन. ये प्रोजेक्ट में काम करने के बाद, सभी लोग छोड़ के जाने के बाद भी वो उधर ही रोक के ही स्टार्टेड प्लांटिंग मोर trees there. So he planted and cared a number of trees in an area of about 1360 acres over a period of 20 years on a sandbar of the river Brahmaputra. River Brahmaputra के बाद बाजू में सैंड बार जो है, ओके, पूरा रेती जो रहती है उधर ये पेड़ों को लगा के he started growing them. With his work, the whole place today turned out to be a forest, and this is called as Mulai forest. इसके नाम पे वो forest बुलाते हैं. It is called as Mulai forest, and he is also called as a forest man of India. By recognizing his efforts, the government of India has awarded him Padma Shri, which is the 4th highest civilian award of the country. So Padma Shri award दिया था इसको जादेव मुलाई को, and he is called as a forest man of India. Have you understood why he is called as forest man of India? इसके वजह से क्या हुआ? YC forest man is also present in our state also, called as Vanajeevi Ramaya. So his actual name is Darepalli Ramaya, who is 70 years aged and popularly known as Vanajeevi Ramaya. He is from Reddipalli village in Khammam district, Khammam rural mandal of Telangana state. He transformed the famous slogan "Plant a tree and save a life." How? Into an action he transformed it than lecturing the benefits. उसके बारे में लेक्चर दिए तो कुछ भी नहीं होता बोल के वो काम से उसको पेनिट्रेट करा. कैसे? he started planting more trees. So he daily locals know him as a man with a pocket full of seeds. उसके जेब में सीड्स डाल के साइकिल के ऊपर पेडल he used to travel for miles, and with an overload of saplings on his bicycle. He truly recognizes the need of the planting trees to save our environment, and desperately plant saplings in each and every barren land he passes through. वो किस तरफ से जाते हैं, उधर अगर barren land दिखे तो उसके जेब में से वो seeds निकाल के डालते रहते हैं. So he starts planting more saplings. With overload of saplings he goes regularly, and for miles together he goes and he keeps on planting the trees. So he not only planted the saplings but also nurtured them. Planting each नहीं, उसको nurturing, उसको protection भी water डालना और उसका protection देखभाल करना भी he used to take care. So inspiring individuals and institutions to keep up a plantation drive, tree plantation drive as a social movement, he inspired, and his untiring endeavor. So because of his untiring endeavor both effort to protect the environment and his outstanding contribution to expand the green coverage won him the country's prestigious award, that is a 4th highest civilian award of the country, that is a Padma Shri was also given to Mr. Ramaya, Vanajeevi Ramaya. So about these two people we have learnt today. One is Vanajeevi Ramaya, the other one is Jadev Mulai. Thank you, children.